Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to look one of the main part of the school management system, and this part is recording management system. In this part we are going to design the interface as you can see it. Then we are going to take one part of registration. Let's run the system we see. So this is the system. We are going to develop a pop-up panel that will use to enter the student details. We shall save and update and also delete all everything here. We are going to start from scratch, so don't worry. Then if you don't have this JDSUSA, you can use something else like this one, like text field, and next time I'll show you how to use this one, how you can insert it into your NetBeans system. So this is the system. We are going to test everything. So here we shall require the admission number, the surname of the student, other names, yeah, then date, then grade, then we save. So we are going to see the inserted data here. This one is auto increment, going to count all the fields existing in our database. Remember, we are going to develop this one using Java NetBeans, and we shall require MySQL database. So let's start. The video has 4 sessions. These sessions we are going to look everything that you are seeing here, and our system will fit our screen. Yeah, despite the size of your screen. Yeah, at the end of it, I hope you are going to like it. So don't forget to subscribe to my video. Let's start.